Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you a weird but easy way to make money online. And I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step process what you need to do. You can follow along with me in this video and implement everything that I'm going to show you. So for this weird way, we need to go to steemit.com. You can simply sign up to this steemit.com for absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything, and you can see here $56. So this post have earned $56, this have earned $38, this have 35, 40, and there are lots of people who are making money in this platform. So I'll not talk about whole details what this Steemit is about. You can watch any other tutorial or just sign up and see everything by yourself. You'll understand it is extremely simple. Okay, the core thing that you need to know about this Steemit is you need to write something, like you can write article, your story, a blog post, or anything by giving a title and your post. Okay, you need to keep on doing that thing to make this kind of money in this platform. And I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use to post your either article, blog post, story, whatever you would like to post in this platform. I'll show you how you can do that. So now the first way that I would suggest you is go to Google, and let's say if you want to, okay, let's say you want to give advice to people about money making tips. Now lots of people read this kind of article and they upvote this kind of article and they do lots of things in this platform, and due to which this kind of earnings are generated. Okay, but the basic thing, the simplest thing you can do is you can search for any keyword that in Google on, so that you can see any article. Now let's say here is 10 tips for saving money. Now what you can do is you can simply, let's say, so I assume that for now I assume that you have already created your Steemit account, and then what you can do is you can click on here in this pencil icon and you can see posting to blog. Now you need to give a title and a post. So let's say here you can see 10 tips for saving money, and now you understood this is 10 tips for saving money. Okay, this article is about save money by using this 10 tips, or maybe you can do 5 tips. Sorry. So firstly what you can do is you can understand what the title of this article is about, and then open the title. Okay, and then you can read this, keep track of your spending. So you can write keep track of your expenses wisely. Okay, that kind of thing you can write and elaborate that by understanding what they are saying at here. Similarly you can do the same thing at here. Okay, understand what this article is telling and then recreate that article. This is one way. Now there are more 2 ways that I'm going to show you. So first thing is this. Okay, and once you do that, once you write everything, let's say if you, let's say you wrote this much, okay, and again you wrote another thing, again you wrote another thing, then what you need to do is you need to give a hashtag here like money saving, sorry, tips, save money, all the relevant tags that you can give, you should give it at here and click on this post. Okay, and you can see rewards 50% SPD, 50% SP. You can read about these things in their help article, or you can watch another specific video about Steemit for these details. Okay, we are not going to go in these details, but the main point is you need to do this, to keep a title and then describe everything. Now I'll show you second way to generate article, and that would be on autopilot basis, that you don't need to use so much mind in that, and for that you need to visit this site that is called Writer Sonic. And then you can click on Writer Sonic. So you can sign up to this platform. Actually this is a paid platform, but you will get up to 10 credit. Okay, 10 credit to use this platform, and I'll show you what you need to do in this platform to generate a article by artificial intelligence. So let's go to dashboard for now. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so once you sign up to this Writer Sonic platform, then you'll see this kind of interface for the first time. Okay, and then you can simply click on new project. What you can do is write estimate articles and click on add new project, and then you can click AI write article and blog writer. Click on it, and then you can go with this, but I would suggest you to go with this because it will take a little bit less credit than this much. I mean, by using this you will pay more, and by using this you will pay less. Okay, so just click on this. So now here you can see, you'll see this kind of interface. Now step one, you need to come up with the idea, that is title. Okay, so let's say this is our title, for example. Okay, just click on it, and here you can see you already have 10 credit in your free account. Okay, so now you can click on generate ideas. So now it will generate some ideas about this title. Now you'll see here 10 tips to save money while you are still in college. Okay, you need to select any of this. If you don't like any of these, you can simply click on generate ideas, and you will spend one more credit and it will generate more ideas. So for now, let's select saving right now. So this seems good. Let's select this one. Now in step 2, it will generate an intro. Okay, now you can click on generate intros, and it will create an introduction that you can put at the top of the article. Here you can see, it's no secret that saving money is hard. It's in today's expensive marketplace. So okay, so they have generated lots of intros, and you can select any one which you like after reading. Okay, so now it's time to create an outline. So outline is like this 10 tips. Okay, so let's scroll below and click on generate outline, and you'll see all the 10 outlines at here. Here you can see section 1, track your spending, be a cash user, define your goal, diversify your portfolio. If you don't like that 10 things, so here are only 8, here are only 8. Okay, so then you can change your title to 8. Okay, here is 6. If you don't like this, click on generate outline, and you'll see more outline. Okay, you can change your title according to the, there are like 8 tips, you know, or if, okay, so there are 7 tips. You can write 7 tips to save money in here. Okay, after you generate article. Now in step 4, you can generate this article, but you have only got like 10 credits. So I think we have already spent 3 credit. So let's say if you click on, now it requires 8 credit to generate a full article. And what will happen, this will be the title, this will be the intro of the title, and then this will be the body of the whole article. Okay, so now if you click on here, I think we don't have that much credit. Okay, so here you can see we don't have that credit. Okay, so it will cost you like $15 per month for 100 credits, and with 100 credit you can generate like 8 to 9 article in this way. Okay, and you can get this plan if you want, and you can also select their other plans. And if you just want to, let's say, buy credit, like generate content on demand with no upfront commitment and pay only for what you use, so you can just pay like $25 and buy 50 credits or 100 credits in 45, 150 credits in $60. Okay, in that way you can purchase these credits and use it to generate article. So once you generate that article, then bring it, sorry, let's go back and bring all of these titles at here. So let's copy it and you can paste it. Okay, in the same way you can copy this and simply paste this, give the hashtag and click on post. So this was the second way, this is the paid way. So now third way is going to be like, what you can do is, there is a tool called Quillbot. So this quillbot.com. Okay, so in here what you can do is, let's say you open an articles by searching on Google, and what you can do is you can simply copy this, and so it is still loading. So let's copy the title and paste it at here. Okay, in this way, just paste it, and then you'll click on this paraphrase. okay, and you'll see. So let's wait. 10 money saving idea. Now you can use your own air. Sorry. So let's say you just copy this whole thing, okay, and go to Steemit, and you can write like top 10 money saving idea by Pawan, or whatever you would like to add, just add it, okay. And again you just copy this whole thing, okay, just copy it, come here and click on paraphrase and wait for some time. Keep a record of your expenses. You can simply copy it, okay, and paste it at here and edit a little bit by using your own mind, okay. You can do it in this way also. So like one, you can give a number 1, keep record of your expenses, knowing where your money is coming and going, and make it easier to make changes to save money. And you can delete this if necessary, okay. In this way you can change a little bit text in here, and again go to number 2 and again write the few things from, just copy it and paste it and again post it at here and use the hashtag and post it. And if you gradually keep on doing these things, okay, and you can, what you can also do is you can go to estimate and read some of their, like here is a newcomer guide, you can read those newcomer guide, okay, and contest all art. So here is another language, other languages, okay. There are lots of other languages, I think we have gone to. And so like you, what you can do is explore communities. You can explore communities related to different things, okay, and you can world of explorer, what is, you can subscribe to it. You can see here there are 18,000 subscribers to this community. You can subscribe to it, okay, and you can also make post in this community and still earn, okay. You need to post the things that are related to these things. So here is Colombia or original steam foods, steam Venezuela. You can subscribe to this kind of communities. And here you can see I have subscribed to one, that is steam entrepreneur, okay. And what you can do is you can come here and click on new post, and you can posting to community steam entrepreneur. If you go from here, you will be posting to your blog, and if you go from there, you will be posting to steam entrepreneurs in this way. So in this way you can keep on making some post. You can also share your life story. You can share some interesting thing that people would love to read, okay, because if people don't want to read your post, then you will not be able to earn any money. But if you post this kind of thing, you can read everything what other people are posting, and you can try to model those things, okay. So what is inside this, you can read, okay, read, and you may post that kind of thing. Like in newcomers guide, if you go to newcomers guide, so like if you'll be signing up to this platform, then you'll obviously click on newcomers guide, and you can post something about these newcomers, how, what tips you want to give to newcomers who are joining estimate, that kind of things later you can provide. Here are different languages, okay, so there are all mixed languages. So in this way you can keep on posting several article, blog, your life story, your love story, your dating story, or whatever story you want to write that are ethical, you can write and keep on making money with this platform that is called estimate.com. So I hope you like this video. If you think it